Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huang, Invention Queen, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today we will teach Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales application knowledge, tact for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses about introduction, brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales, and Golden International Daily Actions. We are put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class, we give the action, hand action, leg action, shoulder action, and conduct action. Many people ask how many quantity we need to do for each day. Good question. We give exactly answer is 100 times. Shall we do more? No. You only can do 100 times, no more. The reason is after our field decade hard, deeply research and back practice, we got the conclusion is 100 times enough. If we do more, maybe we'll hurt your inside some parts, outdoors. That's what we don't want, right? So keep 100 times each day for that action. It is good. However, somebody asks, shall we do less? Of course, especially for beginner. You just join, you learn, you need to adjust your action, amend, and correct your action. Repeat. So you can do less. Don't make it too hard for yourself. However, when you got the profession, you must do 100 times each day in order to protect your health. Before we do the 100 times action, we need to know a couple things. Number one, for that action, the 2 feet form T-shape, not regular straight, just a T-shape. The reason is for your good standing because one leg raised, so 2 shape is much help. Number 2, the feet touch floor must likely cannot make any sound. Number 3, keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. And your feet, leg, breathing must keep correct. Cannot do that way. Okay? Yes. And you should, for direction, must make sure, limit. Forward up, backward down. Forward up, backward down. Yourself limit. Because everybody limit it is different. So keep yourself on limit. And back up forward, down, back, up, forward, down, back, up, forward, down. Keep your limit. And your middle finger, keep pen the same. Okay, another finger hold your leg, left knee. Forward, up, back, down. Forward, up, back, down. And back, up, forward, down. Back, up, forward, down. Back, up, forward, down. Back, up, forward, down. Yeah. Middle finger, left, lift. Hold. Keep position correct. It is very important. We also choose two different language to count. English, hand. Somebody say, why should we code two different language to count? We need to protect our track long, far away, bronchitis, pandemic, and lung disease, and lung cancer, and many diseases. So we need two different language to count. Somebody say, excuse me, I cannot speak Chinese. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you're French, you can use French language and English. It is easy. Just keep two different language to count. Of course, your eyes should look straight, and with your smiling face, your head also must think, make your action correct. Yeah, make your every part is move, keep, protect your health. Okay, now everybody follow me, do that action one day quantity 100 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、31、32、33、34、35、36、37、38、39、40、41、42、43、44、45、46、47、48、49、50、51、52、53、54、55、56、57、58、59、60、61、62、63、64、65、66、67、68、69、70、71、72、73、74、75、76、77、78、79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 1 七、八、九、十。Three, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, ten. 四、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。Five, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, ten. 六、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。Seven, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, ten. 八、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。Nine, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, ten. 5、6、7、8、9、10. Very good. Somebody ask, say, my leg cannot raise high. Doesn't matter. We give you some action to instant. Step by step, absolutely, you can do right action. First of all, you can do that action. Hold, leg, big toe, second toe touch floor. Look at the side, okay. You say, knees still inside, just the big toe, second toe. Weight still hold that leg. And then, after a few days, your leg got a bit of power, you can do that way. And after a few days again, so you can do raise a little high. Finally, of course, you can do right away. Yes, the action not complete, not complication. It is easy. So just study your feet, maybe not too much power. So you need to practice, and step by step. Finally, your feet got the power, you can do correct action. Trust yourself. You're smart. Of course you can do correct action and protect your health. Learn correct knowledge. Must correct knowledge. And change your mind and keep your own health to change it to easy. At home, with your kids, or with your friend, or you're by yourself, you can do every day, do Golden Int'l Daily Action, 40 different set actions. Absolutely, you can get help. Far away, bronchitis, pandemic, and many different diseases. Enjoy your wonderful life.